All Recipes member Carol shares her mother's recipe for light and delicious homemade dumplings, commenting, "My mother was one of the best cooks I ever knew." We'll start by combining 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. As recommended by All Recipes members, we'll replace the margarine in this recipe with butter and cut 1 tablespoon into the flour mixture using a pastry blender. And stir in half a cup of milk to make a soft dough. We'll drop spoonfuls of the dough into lightly boiling soup or stew. We'll turn the heat to medium-low and cover the pot and simmer for 15 minutes without lifting the lid. This keeps the steam constant and the heat even. To check for doneness, remove a dumpling and split in half. The dough should be cooked through, light and fluffy. All Recipes member Indigo Jean loved this recipe. She comments, "These are the best dumplings I've ever eaten. Super easy too." And another member noted, "So much better than using canned biscuit dough."